Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video that you can upload onto your YouTube channel, being a Google teacher. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can actually add it to your WhatsApp group so they don't even have to go to YouTube to watch it. So the first thing you need to do is open up YouTube, like the picture that I'm showing you, and you will see your photograph, and if you click your photograph, it'll go to your channel. So I've clicked on the photograph and you will see this showing, and you click on your channel. This is a screenshot of my YouTube channel. I am a part-time tutor for Zamafuti, which is a platform where adults are trying to get their matric. So this is my YouTube channel, and I upload videos onto my channel for students to go and watch. So now we go to Explain Everything. I love Explain Everything. It is a fairly cheap iPad app that you can use, and I think it is incredibly versatile. So here is the app that is opened, and I have taken screenshots to show you. So I have called this project YouTube videos, and I've added an existing picture. This is like a whiteboard, and you have pens, you have highlighters, you can draw shapes, you can choose the color, and I have just then written on one slide, and at the bottom here, you can actually add slides as well. So I've added this slide, called it Corona, and there you can actually add more slides. You can draw, you can talk, you can bring in a picture. So now I'm going to export it. So you click with the little arrow at the top here, and I'm going to export it as a video. So my next slide is going to show you how I'm going to export this to YouTube. You will notice the drop-down menu. I now am able to click on the YouTube. You're going to click on it, and it'll enable you to upload or publish to your YouTube channel. Because don't forget, you're logging in to Chrome with your St. Mary's account. So it will recognize you, your account, and your YouTube channel. This is what this will now look like. I'm going to publish this little talk onto my YouTube channel, and then I'm going to share the URL, the link with you.